There are certain products that immediately change the scale of the room they're in. And this is definitely one of them. An 84-inch 4K touchscreen smart display with 10-point multi-touch capability, built-in smart features, and a design that clearly places it somewhere between a television, a digital whiteboard, and a professional collaboration tool. The first impression is simple. It's huge. Not just big in the way TVs are getting bigger every year, but large enough that it feels like it belongs in a conference room or control center rather than a living room. The bezels are slim, the finish is clean, and the entire panel has that professional, almost institutional look to it. When it powers on, the interface immediately fills the entire surface. Everything feels familiar, but also exaggerated by scale. Apps, menus, and navigation all work smoothly, but the real focus is the touch interaction. Because using touch on something this size is a completely different experience from a phone or tablet. You're no longer just tapping, you're physically reaching across a massive surface. And despite the scale, the responsiveness is surprisingly solid. There's a slight delay compared to premium handheld devices, but for an 84-inch multi-touch panel, it performs well within expectations. Where this kind of display really starts to make sense is in its intended environments. In offices, it transforms meetings into interactive sessions where teams can annotate, move content around, and collaborate directly on the screen. It essentially replaces a mix of whiteboards, projectors, and presentation tools with a single unified surface. In education, it becomes a dynamic teaching tool. Lessons are no longer static slides. They become interactive experiences where content can be highlighted, edited, and explored in real time by both instructors and students. But when you move this into a home setup, the use case becomes less straightforward. As a traditional TV replacement, it delivers strong visuals with 4K clarity, good brightness, and decent color performance. But the touchscreen element becomes less relevant when you're sitting several feet away. At that distance, it functions more like a large display than an interactive surface. Still, the touch performance itself is impressive for its category. Multi-touch input is responsive, gestures are handled well, and multiple users can interact with the screen simultaneously without significant issues. There's a learning curve in terms of precision, but overall stability is strong. The display quality is not trying to compete with high-end cinematic TVs, but it holds its own in brightness and sharpness, especially in well-lit environments where this type of display is usually used. One of the most interesting aspects is collaboration. Few devices in this size range allow multiple people to interact with content at the same time in a natural way. That's where this category of product really stands out. Thermal performance and system stability remain consistent even during extended use. There's clearly active processing happening in the background to manage both smart functions and touch input, but it stays controlled and reliable. Ultimately, this kind of device sits in a very specific category. It's not trying to replace your home TV, and it's not trying to compete with tablets or laptops. Instead, it exists as a hybrid between a presentation screen, a digital whiteboard, and a collaborative workspace. And in that role, it actually makes a lot of sense.